Definitely good to step out of my comfort zone.
Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. My name is Vanessa. I put out videos once a week related to all things fashion, lifestyle, and beauty. Stick around. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is simply me getting my ish together. All the things that I talked about in my previous videos, it's time for me to be consistent. So we're going to go back to the gym today. I haven't been back to the gym in probably over a month, so I figured let's start back today. I also talked about on my Becoming Her journey, I want to step out of my comfort zone and meet other creators and do other things with other people. So we're going to be meeting another creator today, and we're going to step out of our comfort zone and see how that goes. Honestly, that workout was intense. I don't ever want to go back, but I know the goals that I want for this summer, and I'm afraid of needles, so I can't be on the Ozempic shots. So we're just going to have to stick to it. I think going back to the gym after taking such a long time, you have to mentally prepare yourself, like physically and mentally. And I think I kind of psyched myself out because I wasn't ready physically or mentally, but I'm glad that I got it done. Now let's do some laundry because this laundry basket been sitting here piling up for days and I can't look at it anymore. So let's just do some laundry, get that done. Nigga, he a free throw, man down, call like Amber Lambs, tell him bleed, bro. Nella nigga to the cross, he walk around like Tizo. What's up with these jabroni ass niggas trying to see Compton? The industry can hate me, fuck them all in the mama. How many options you really got? I mean, it's too many options. I'm finna pass on this body, I'm John Stockton. Beat your ass and hide the Bible if God watching. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up the score with him. Walk him down whole time, I know he got some hoe in him. Pull on him, extort shit, bully the phone on him. Again, to help me with my busy mornings and just to help my mornings just flow smoothly, I like to make my coffee either from the night before or in the morning when I have time. I make it for the week and I put them in these glass sealed containers. And that's pretty much my cold brew coffee, okay? It works for me. I don't have to buy the coffee. I don't have to sit there and wait for it to be made. All I do is pop in the fridge, take it out, pour it in my cup, and put my mixers together. Saves me a bunch of time and money. Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1. To any bitch that talk to him and they in love, just make sure you hide your little sister from them. They tell me Chubb's the only one that get your hand-me-downs. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie. The guys on Instacart, y'all been getting a little better now. Y'all been getting a little better with finding stuff and with the delivery. Because I used to get some pictures with we're out of the item and the item is literally in the picture looking at me. Anyways, this dude did a delivery and he put them right beside the lizard gate, the lizard fence. So that's what I was looking at, like, oh my God, I do not want to go over here and deal with these lizards. And I was trying to make sure that none of them got in the bag or that any of them were going to jump off of me because y'all know your girl is afraid of lizards. And party at the party playing with his nose now. And Baka got a weird case. Why is he around? Certified lover boy, certified pedophiles. Wop, 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 wop. That fuck 'em up. Wop, 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 wop. I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor. not like us. They 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 not like us. You think the pay gon' let you disrespect Pop, nigga?
This delivery was pretty much stacking up on all my daughter's snack for the school week because she goes through them like. Anyways, I need to work on getting better snack because I figure if I have healthier snacks at home, then I wouldn't need to buy snacks or go out and eat or eat any of her crappy snacks. I miss when groceries used to be about $50 to $100 to feed a whole family. Like, what is this for $100? I figure it doesn't matter when I get my daily devotion in as long as I get it done. Because I feel like when I try to do it in the morning, it is forced and it is rushed and I'm not remembering or understanding what I'm reading. So I'm taking my time to do my devotions whenever I have the time and I'm not rushing through it. Okay, so it's time to step out and put our big girl panties on and do the things that we say we want to do and that we need to do to grow. I'm very nervous, but it's time.
So I'm stepping out and I'm actually going to meet another content creator. This is our first time meeting. So I hope everything goes well. I'm really trying to meet more creators around me just so we could inspire each other and actually stick to this and create content so I'm not out by myself half the time. Anyways, the outfit is from, the dress is from Shein, bracelet Shein, Van Cleef from my husband, and Shein, my wedding ring. This necklace is also Shein, the dress is Shein. Girl, everything is Shein. Oh, the bag is the tote bag from Marc Jacobs. Shoes, Shein, I freaking love it. So we're just going orange and black. I was sharing on TikTok that when I was in high school, I had the cutest orange velour jogging suit. You couldn't tell me that I wasn't cute. And I waited all weekend to go to school to wear this and show my friends my cute little orange outfit. When I got to school, this boy said, Halloween. She looked like Halloween, and they kept laughing and pointing, and that stuck with me. And I stopped wearing orange from high school. And then older I got, I started getting back into orange, and I realized that orange is my color because look at this. Let me lower y'all a little so y'all can see the set. Like, look at this. Don't mind the belly. Like, I am rocking orange shoes, orange dress with a black and white bag. Definitely giving Halloween, but I look good. That's from my mom. This is the look. This is the look. All right, Florida is hot. I gotta go because it's hot. My makeup is melting. Got all my content creation stuff in my bag, including you guys. I'm about to put in here. And then, so I'll see y'all when I get back. Hopefully it's good. I'll let you know.
So we went to a place called Wicked Breast Plantation, which was 15 minutes away from my house and 15 minutes away from her because we kind of live about 10 minutes from each other. So this place, again, it's called Wicked Breast Plantation, and they serve cinnamon buns, and it's nice. Okay, it was nice. It was different. They serve the cinnamon buns in loaf, and they have like this bacon cinnamon bun. Anyways, it's not even a bun. It's more of a loaf, and it's decorated in like Halloween theme. My daughter would love this because she loves Wednesday and the Addams Family. But it was a nice meetup. We talked the whole time. I didn't show her because I figured that would be awkward, but it was a nice vibe. I definitely want to do it again. After I left, I decided to go to the Target Plaza to take some pictures because I was feeling very creative, and I love my outfit and the way how my makeup came out. So this is me shooting a TikTok about how I take my pictures and how I pose. I'm happy I met up with her because it got me to be more creative and to step out and go back out in public and shoot pictures.
Alright, now I want to get some against the car. Brick and I'm back from my date, from my content date. It was good. The girl was nice. We literally talked the whole way through. I stepped out of my comfort zone. I wanted to meet like creators or people that are doing what I'm doing for the longest, but I've always been nervous and scared to like step out and actually talk to somebody and offer to link up. But I'm glad I did today because she was cool. She was nice. We had a good time. We went to Wicked Breads. I ended up getting this concoction. It's a cinnamon bun with bacon, and I ended up getting a plain one for my daughter and husband to try. But it was good. It was definitely good to step out of my comfort zone and to meet someone new and to actually just have conversation about something that you're passionate about. Somebody else that's not like your family or that your friend that's just going to be like, oh yeah girl, you're good, you got it. Someone that's actually doing it. It was nice to just have like a conversation with them and to listen to their perspective and point of view about the work that they're doing and what they want to do, and listening to what you have to do, and also listening to you just out of pure curiosity and not because they're your friend or your family. So it was good. It was a good meeting. I'm sorry I didn't show the whole get ready with me. I don't even know what part of this vlog I'm going to put this in. This is probably just going to be a short vlog. But yeah, today was a good day. I'm happy I stepped out. I'm happy I didn't cancel because there was a lot going on. Work meeting, unexpected. My mom had to go to the airport, pick up my daughter early. It was a lot going on that could have been like, all right, let me just cancel. Because everything is just leading into let me just cancel. But I'm happy I actually stick with it, and it was very beneficial. All right, that is it for the TED Talk. I have work to go do, so I'll go do that, and I'll pick you guys back up.
I get tired of cooking the same old meal over and over, so I got back on my HelloFresh. This is my third time doing HelloFresh. I like it. It definitely helped me to expand my cooking skills and try different food from different cultures. I really enjoy it. So this is just me cooking my HelloFresh, making my family dinner. My husband doesn't eat bacon or meat, so the bacon is for me and my daughter, and he's just getting veggies with his pasta. And he's also getting like a spinach and feta pasta. I want regular pasta, and my daughter's eating pasta with butter, so that's more bacon for me, honey. More bacon for me. Thank you guys so much for joining me today on my productive day vlog. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you do, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, my name is Vanessa. I put out videos 1, maybe 2 times a week related to all things fashion, lifestyle, self-care, and beauty. Bye guys.